Hey guys, and welcome back on my channel. In this garage/home gym I started my very first YouTube video, and now we are back here again with some updates for you guys and some small changes for this channel. So first change is gonna be that I switch my current ATV, my CFMOTO 625, to a new CFMOTO 1000 Gen 3 model. The footage you see, it was just a test ride. It's not mine, not yet, but yes, very hyped about this ATV. I really like it. I hope I get one this year. I don't have an exact date, but yes, it will definitely happen. And the second change is gonna be, you will also get from now on content on two wheels. I started to ride motorcycle in the last year, and I bought two new bikes. Firstly, the Yamaha Tenere 700. It's an amazing travel bike for long distances, and if you can handle it, you can make some pretty cool off-road stuff. Yes, if you can handle it. It's not that easy at the beginning. That's why I bought the second bike, the Husqvarna 450 4-stroke. It's an Enduro bike, and the main purpose on this bike is just to learn some specific stuff on two wheels, to get better at riding, and it's much easier with a lighter bike, and if you fall down, if you crash, you don't damage much. And it's just a fun bike to ride. That's why I bought also this bad boy. So, that's the information for you guys. I hope you're gonna like the next coming adventure videos. There is some really cool stuff in the planning, so definitely stay tuned for that. And it pretty much stays the same, just with a slightly better ATV, and sometimes now on two wheels. Now, for the people who are wondering why I'm switching the ATV, it is a really simple question, and it's really just about engine power. The 625 is completely fine, I still have it and I still love it, but on long tours and especially on uphills, there is a bit a lack of speed. And there's nothing wrong with the machine, it is just a one cylinder with around 34 horsepower, so if you load your ATV a bit heavy with luggage and everything, you are a bit slow, which can get a bit annoying sometimes. So definitely not a bad reason for everyone, but for me it was now the right decision, the right time to switch to a bigger engine. Now for the people who are wondering why I started riding motorcycles, and now don't get me wrong, but there are two reasons what I don't like about ATVs. And there is firstly the high fuel consumption. It's a minimum of 8 liters per 100 kilometers, which is a lot if you compare it with motorcycles or a pickup truck. My Isuzu D-Max with a rooftop tent on it and also some off-road tires has the same amount, which is just crazy. So this is the first point. And secondly, it's the expensive maintenance cost. At CFMOTO you have every 3000 kilometers service, which is super important for the lifetime of your ATV, so definitely do your maintenance. But keep that in mind, if you make some touring stuff, some long distance riding, it is a bit more expensive than just with a motorcycle. But like I said, don't get me wrong, there are so many reasons why it's super worth it to drive an ATV. In my opinion, it's much safer, and on really hard conditions it's much easier. Just to have four-wheel drive, some lockers, a winch, or just to have a reverse gear is a really nice to have, and just to have much more space to carry stuff with you, like sandboards and other stuff that makes life easier, is pretty cool. And I think it's a pretty interesting part now on this channel to see how both riding types perform differently, and I'm pretty hyped to show you both their pros and cons in the next coming year on this channel. So that's pretty much it. Now just enjoy the following video clips. It's a very short best of, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button that you don't miss any coming adventures. So enjoy, ride safe, stay safe, and see you in the next one. Bye.